Yo, what up? It's your boy Rel. I'm in the whip right now. Know what I mean? Recording this, driving through this snow, yo. I'm gonna show y'all how Audi does it in the snow. It's my boy Les.
Yeah, we out here.
Turn the light on.
2010, day after Christmas.
Yes, sir. So we gonna show you how to drive through the snow for all you scared drivers out there. So, alright? Let me show you right now. Put the phone right here. Wipe the snow off. You know, get y'all a real clear view real quick. And now we off. Oh, my phone fell. That's not a good one. Alright. Put it further up for y'all. Make sure that's good enough. Alright. Oh yeah, I love driving through the snow. It's so y'all don't understand how fun this is. It's ridiculously fun. Like I want to do all types of tricks and shit. I can eat like the cop behind me right now. There's a cop coming right behind me. But you know what? Don't bother me because even if I was to do something illegal, he couldn't catch me. Oh man. Maybe I should turn the radio on. Let me turn the radio on since I can't play the music with my phone.
Ain't nobody funny with me. I'm plutonic. Bet I got some slippers on. Bet on out of here. These ain't even real clothes. Homie, I'm pajama rich. Bex told me, homie, gon' switch the style up. These bitches told me, homie, only two arousers. Told her I ain't paying tonight. I'm
Oh, stranded car number 1. Stranded car number 2. Invest in an Audi. Let's turn the camera for y'all so y'all can see, some cars and stuff. They got a light. Green light. Hey, I want to know something crazy too. It's blocked right here. There's 2 buses stuck on the hill. Let me put the camera right here. Well, y'all see that blinking? See them cars? See that bus? Those blinking yellow lights is the New York City bus. And it's stuck on the hill. Ain't that some shit? That's funny. Time is money and I can't afford to be a minute late. I should go up that hill on purpose just to show people that I can make it and they can't. I'm a dirtbag, yo. Dead ass. Oh, that was fun. Oh, it's an accident? Oh, say word.
Where?
Right here. Is it? Oh no, he just stuck. Time to turn on the window thing because you know it's getting a little frigid. I'll show you how to do this, son. Oh, look at his tires. This car right here in front of me is blowing mine because I want to pass him, and I'm going to do it right now. So on my way back. You nothing, check.
From the other side, where other guys don't walk too much. The girls in the projects went, just said we talk too much. So they ran up the top and it's all through lose the trust. I don't know, they go about just like us.
Oh, look at the cab spinning sideways.
Sometimes unforgettable. This is in abundance by half price.
He's drifting. Hey, yo.
You said you knew, you did it. Couldn't talk about it.
They're going at it.
About who's the best MCs, Biggie, Jay-Z,
Like
and
the
all.
crash, man.
I mean, like, I gotta be like the pioneer to, you know.
I mean, y'all snowed in, right? I'm snowed in too. I-97, this how I'm going.
Dang.
Yeah, he got stuck sideways. Oh, my phone.